The question is 63 divided by 9 with parentheses around 5 plus 4 minus 6. So let's solve it. 63 divided by 9 gives you 7, with parentheses around 5 plus 4 minus 6. Now let's solve further. 7 with parentheses around 5 plus 4 becomes 9, so 9 minus 6. Let's solve further. 7 divided by the bracket. 9 minus 6 becomes 3, right? Now 7 bracket means multiplication, so 7 times 3 is 21. This is the answer. But this is the wrong method. Now let's rewrite the question. 16(3) divided by 9. Inside the bracket, it's 5 plus 4 minus 6, so first we'll solve the bracket. Here, 5 plus 4 becomes 9, and 9 minus 6, let's write it again, 63. Divided by 9, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6. Let's solve further, 63. Divided by 9, 9 minus 6 is 3, right? 9. 63 divided by 9. Break it at multiplying by 3. Now we'll check from left to right. When checking left to right, we'll give first priority to division and second priority to multiplication. So, let's solve it further. 63 divided by 9 times 3. 63 divided by 9 is 7, so 7 times 3 equals 21. This is the right answer and the correct method.